How to be happy in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Eat your favorite food. Step 2. Improve your sleep quality. Step 3. Get out. Not just out of your home or office, get out of the city. Go far. So far, you need to drive for 5 hours. Reach a pier, take a boat, and keep going until you find land. You'll discover a world where the marble blue of the sea meets the green of the landscape, far from the city's gray. You stare at the sea and sky, and for the first time, the presence of air feels so real, you can smell the oxygen. The next morning, you decide to go even further. Take a boat with a few divers and sail into the deep blue. Sail until you're surrounded by nothing but 2 shades of blue, the sky and the ocean. Then, you dive. All of a sudden, even the sound of waves is gone. It's completely quiet, and the loudest sound is your own breath. Follow the current, swim past the reefs, and observe this alien world with its beautiful, unseen creatures. In that moment, you know this is where you belong. You sit at the shore, staring at the sunset. I could look at this forever, you say. You are finally happy. You understand that nothing lasts forever, and that's what makes everything so beautiful. The sun sets, and it's time to go. You say goodbye to the friends you've made and sail back to the mainland. You take the same route back to the city you came from, but now you are happier, knowing the world is so much bigger than any problems you encounter. There is so much to do and so many people to meet. That night, you sleep soundly. Step 4. Watch a comedy.